I'm G.
And I'm T.
I think the phone's upside down.
No, it's good.
Okay.
And today
we are trying gluten-free snacks.
Because she has celiac and she can't eat any gluten. Which is why we're trying them. So
we'll be rating them from 1 to 10.
And we can't go over 10.
Unless it's like really, really good and it's the best thing we ever tried.
And give it 100. 1 through 10 or 100.
I was going to say 11, but okay.
So, before we start the video, I want you to hit that subscribe button down below and hit that little bell that goes ding because we love bells. And also be sure to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Just blow pound on it.
Yeah, but don't do mine that goes like this. Do it like this.
Yes. This is now. This is good.
Yeah.
And hey, and we have a challenge for you. Try to get it with your nose,
Yeah. Okay.
If you do that, comment. We did it.
Yeah. Or done.
Done. Did Don do it? Who did Don do it? Anyway, well, let's get right on to the video.
Yeah.
Okay. So,
First snack
we have are these pretzel chips, gluten-free, and we're going to be trying them. Most of these are not open yet.
Yeah.
So they're small. They're like the pretzel chips you would get at the store.
It's like with hummus.
Yeah. So 3, 2, 1. I kind of like actual pretzels.
They're just more crunchier.
So I would give it a 7. I mean, it's just like a regular pretzel.
Yeah, I'd give it a 7 too.
Okay. Now, next up, I have a little problem with my leg. We have these animal crackers.
And this is Meadows. This was
It's just
Snack Factory Pretzel Crisp.
Yeah, I think you would probably got those at Publix.
Probably.
Wait, I don't think any other people in the world have a Publix.
It's at your local grocery store. Like if you live in Maryland, it's what is it called?
Yeah.
Safeway.
Yeah, Safeway.
Or Whole Foods.
I think it's only Florida that has Publix. Yeah.
Oh, peel the tab. Wow. Here we go. Use your smarts, people.
Yeah. And if this video is like really long, then we can always cut it down.
3, 2, 1.
Sweet.
They're animal crackers.
Yeah. These are really good. I give these a 6.
I was gonna give them a 7. They're good. They also have this vanilla flavor.
So 6. I'm gonna have a 6 appear right here and a 7 and 7 appear right in front of her face.
This beautiful thing.
Yeah.
They actually are really good. I like the vanilla in them.
So next we have Lay's cheddar and sour cream chips.
You're like, oh my gosh, these aren't gluten-free.
Yeah, they are.
Yeah, they are. See, doesn't say contains wheat or anything. Come on, focus.
Just trust this to gluten-free. Or else you'd probably be having problems.
I'd be sick. But I'm not sick.
Yeah, you're good.
I give these like 11.
Yeah. Remember, it's 10 or 100.
Oh, then I give them 100.
Yeah, I give these 100 too. You're really good. Okay, we will eat those later.
Yeah. At the end of the video, we're going to rate our favorite one.
So far, it's chips. So next up, we have these nut thins, which are like crackers.
They're by Blue Diamond. Blue Diamond What is it called? Hold on, I have the can in my trash can. What is it called?
She just reached into her trash can.
It's these honey roasted. They're amazing. I already ate them all. That's why they're in my trash.
Yeah. So let's open these. Oh, more packaging.
Yeah, woo! I love packaging.
We'll put down a counter on how long it takes to actually get it. Well, maybe we'll not put down a counter. That seems like really hard for me to do. I'm the editor.
You know, forget this.
She has scissors right next to her desk, and no, we did not get them for this video. She had them on her desk.
I had them in my desk because I was cutting something open last night.
Ah.
I'm not weird. What the?
Like, really cheesy. Like, see, look, like, I don't know if you can see it, but, like, they give
Yeah.
residue.
Yeah.
Like, see, look at my finger. Like, that's just one touch. They give
Okay.
residue. So,
3,
2,
2, 1.
I'm gonna give these 5. I mean, they're pretty good, but the cheese just licked right off, and it's just a plain cracker. Plus, also at the end, it just looks like you just put that cheese dust on it.
Yeah, it's just.
Yeah, but it's pretty good still.
I give them a 4. I didn't like those.
Actually, just take away that 5, put a 4 up there. Yeah. 1 second, guys.
Huh.
Okay. Next thing that we have are
They're
these
upside down. There you go.
Dorito-like chips.
Off-brand Doritos.
Yeah.
Turn on after all the noise. Did you know that regular Doritos, nacho cheese Doritos, are not gluten-free, but Cool Ranch are?
Yeah, they are. These are literally look exactly like Cool Ranch.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. You can tell this is off-brand. We should do a video. I saw on Brooklyn and Bailey's channel. Subscribe to Brooklyn and Bailey because I love their videos. Anyway, I saw that. No, it wasn't on Brooklyn and Bailey's channel. It was on. It's just I forget her name. I'm sorry.
Cam.
Huh?
Isn't it like Camry?
Yeah, I don't know. But anyway, she made a video with I think it was Bailey, but it may have been Brooklyn. I don't remember because they're twins. But it was just like blindfolded, and they were testing regular brand versus off-brand stuff to see if they could guess it. I think I do good on these off-brand Doritos, though.
Yeah. If you get to shout out a channel, I get to shout out a channel. Go follow for Taylor and Brat and Rock Your Hair. They're all just a whole family.
3 channels, okay.
I'm extra special.
Next, we have these cheddar cheese crackers
By Lance.
Wait, these are like Ritz, off-brand Ritz.
Yeah, but they're by a big company called
Can I open it?
Yeah, you have to pull the tab.
I know. Okay.
I know. Good going. She ripped it half off.
Okay, I got this.
Oh, she's destroying the box now. Oh, yep, that's important, but okay.
No, it's not.
Oh, yep, okay. Now we're never going to be able to be close to the box again. Look, wait before we show. Look at her beautiful opening jaw. It's just...
I just really want to try these.
They come in the same package as the Ritz ones. And my fingers stuck.
Off-brand Ritz right here.
They put a lot of air in their packages. So...
It's just like a bag of chips.
Oh, okay. These are incredibly thin.
And incredibly tiny. Like.
The Ritz ones are bigger.
Yeah.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Ritz crackers.
They're not. I give these a 4. I mean, they're okay. But really, the crackers are really plain. So it's like you're tasting nothing. And then the cheese is so thin. Yeah, you can't even taste the cheese.
Yeah, you don't even know.
So
if someone just gave you the bag, you wouldn't know, and you were blindfolded, you wouldn't know there was cheese on there. Alright.
And it's just like the cracker, so.
Yeah, so I give that a 3.
I'll give it a 3.
My phone just went off.
So, we have these gluten-free pretzel sticks.
By Live G Free. These are already open because my family ate them.
Because our whole family is going gluten-free. Oh, no salt.
Yeah, they're salt.
Oh, yeah. There's very little salt. 3, 2, 1.
Very crunchy.
Yeah. I'm very plain. I like salt on mine.
Yeah.
I'm going to give these a 4.
I'm a 4.
Next up is these mini pretzel chips.
Pretzel crisp.
Yeah, and they're salted caramel.
They're gluten free.
Those mini? Those weren't mini, and those were pretty tiny.
Yeah, let's see. Oh my god.
Oh my god, they're so
Oh, look, mine's in half.
cute. Oh my god, you're so cute.
Love you. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
First, I had like a shock surprise.
Yeah. They're not bad. They have more salt in them than the pretzels. But
I like these. I'm going to give them a 6. 1 second. Okay, we're back, and this is our second to last one. We actually have a little surprise one that we didn't know. So, I want to show these. So, these are popcorn chips. So, it's like popcorn and chips. They're made by Popcorners. Yeah. They're gluten-free. Wait, there's only 3 ingredients. What the? I guess it's popcorn, salt.
Yellow corn, sunflower oil, and sea salt. That sounds really healthy.
Yeah.
Ah.
Okay, so. Okay.
You open them in the middle.
It's good. So we have these. Oh, they're more like chips than I thought. I thought they were more popcorny. So these are it. And we're going to be trying them. 3, 2, 1. And they have a popcorn texture.
Mm-hmm.
It's popcorn.
It's popcorn, but in chip flavor.
This is good. I'm going to give this an 8. I like these.
I mean, if they come in different flavors, yeah. I give them a 6.
Now we need to show the very last one.
Yeah, and ready for a different location.
Wait, I was just like, woo! Okay, next we have is our food, and it's
macaroni and cheese.
Yep. So we're gonna be trying this. It's a little sticky. We are still out of shot. So 3, 2, 1. Tastes like normal macaroni and cheese.
The noodles taste weird.
I just said so. So, do you remember? Said was whispering to us, put some salt on it. That's exactly what
You're whispering. I'm all dry.
Can you help me get this off? It's stuck.
Yeah, here for you.
No, like,
Oh, yeah, I got it. Don't make a mess, because I literally just opened it. I'll just zip it. I think we broke it.
what? I'm gonna speed up this part.
They can't even see you.
Yeah, I know, but I'm saying, I'm gonna speed up this part.
I got it! Woo! I got this on my eye. I need to put it then. I might put pepper on mine. Mom probably done like 2 days ago.
Don't reckon all this out.
Okay, so basically, when my sister and her fiance came in, they handed me this, and it's basically, they have crabs, and we don't eat crabs, I've had crabs in 2 years, I haven't had crabs in years. Yeah, melon, you can take, the garlic melon, but you can take melon, they just dropped melon, let me try this one.
It's a little better, but it's not really so well.
I give it a 4.
I give it a 5. It's totally better.
That's a pink lemonade. And what she also gave me for some company, Breck's gourmet cookies, and she makes some gluten-free. I think we need to go here tonight. What is it called? Yeah. Nate's Southern Seafood Boil.
So yeah.
They have snow crabs. so coming here soon.
Yeah.
Like, wait, where is it at?
Oh my gosh, are those actual the gluten-free cookies?
I don't know if they're gluten free. I just don't want to try them yet.
Okay, so guys,
Crabs. Okay, I'm sorry.
hey,
Oh,
I'm
crap.
probably gonna have a lot of editing. So guys, follow that.
Do you care if I keep my gluten-free stuff in the top part of the cabinet? Will it bother you?
What do you mean gluten free? Does it have gluten in it?
No, my gluten stuff. Does it bother you if I keep it in the cabinet?
Sure, just tell me where it is.
So you don't eat it?
Yeah.
Because Mommy said you had a problem with my bagels.
What bagels?
My Panera bagels.
What Panera bagels?
Oh.
What Panera bagels?
I got myself a Panera bagel.
Oh, okay.
But Mommy said it was a problem for you. Or was it going to be a problem for you?
Oh, shut up. Okay, guys. Well, I'm gonna have some editing to do, and be sure to follow our social medias. Link in the description down
And
below.
we will finally put it in the description because I remember, and because there's a new app out called Like.
Yeah, and we both have it. She hasn't posted one yet, but
I will.
I
so
have
you guys
posted
can
a
find it.
lot.
My hair, if someone can tell me in the comments if you see it going blonde or not, I do. I don't know, it looks brown today. It looks red. What the?
Okay, so what I figured out today in the light. So can you guys guess what hair color I am?
It's black.
Actually, no, I'm a brunette.
You have cheese on your teeth.
Of course I do. I'm a brunette because my hair is really, 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 really dark brown. Yeah.
It was stuck in my teeth.
Okay, so question of the day.
Oh yeah, we do one from each of us because it's fair.
Yes. Do you have one?
No.
Okay. We'll be right back in case you did not hear that. Okay, we're back and we have questions. I keep on going out of the shot. I'm just like,
It's like in the ocean where we drift away. We do that a lot,
Yeah.
and our parents get mad at us.
So,
If we haven't
how about you first?
Wait, hold on. If we don't pay attention where we are in the ocean, we will end up on like the other side of the beach.
yeah, we will. And then our parents just like, come over here.
Yeah, we drift really far because we're having fun in the waves.
Yeah,
If you
we're
can't
gonna have
tell-
a beach day soon.
Yeah, we love the waves in the ocean. We're not.
Okay, so your turn.
Okay.
Your question.
No, you go first.
You go first.
You go first.
You go first.
1, 2, 3, not.
Wait, what?
1, 2, 3,
Not
not
it.
You didn't touch your nose.
You're
You go.
supposed to touch your nose?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Starbucks or Dunkin' Donuts? That goes for all of you too.
Easy.
Starbucks.
Starbucks.
Okay, that goes for all of you too. Do you
Okay.
prefer Starbucks or Dunkin'?
Mine is. I had it. Where'd it go? Okay. Would you rather have crabs or pizza?
Crabs.
Or crabs. But I also have a dare for all of you guys.
Mom.
So since we tried gluten-free stuff today, if you can, go to the store, find something gluten-free, make a video, tag us on our social media. Can you tag people on YouTube?
So, if you title it G&T's Gluten-Free Challenge,
Yeah.
we will try to find it and watch it. Yet nobody subscribes to our channel, so yet nobody would probably do
But
this.
in the future, we
Yeah.
might become famous, so.
Yeah, so
So,
tag us and we will try to watch it. We will search every week,
yeah.
maybe.
Alright,
Once we become
but
famous.
seriously try because I'm gonna try to do this, so. And hopefully my hair will be longer in the future. Yes, I'd love to see those days because my hair
Hi, future me.
was down to here, like right here, right?
Mhm.
You're not even looking?
Oh, yeah.
It was super long, but I had to get it cut off.
So watch this snake while I eat this, and it's gonna snake into my mouth.
Shh, quiet on set.
Quiet on set.
What?
Quiet on set. That's G's mom. Okay, we need to wrap this up. Okay, so
Yep, don't fall. Oh, that's great.
So,
Quiet on set!
Like, Daddy's coming home tomorrow?
Quiet on set!
I'm gonna cut all this out. Okay, so thank you for watching Wednesdays with GNC Florida.
Nope, I'm not gonna do anything else.
Bye, guys.